Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you? I'm also fine. First of all, I would like to thanks to my respected sir who has given me a golden opportunity to stand here. So I am going to tell you about a story. This story is related to a farmer who always work in their fields like a ox. He is not much educated, but he know how to write, and his faith on a God a lot of. He don't know about the climate of nowadays, and he always faith on a God. So his house is situated on the crest of a low hill. In there, her houses are single, where he saw his crops and harvest, which he saw in their fields. So when he want to watch their his fields, then he stand on the that house. After he know about their fields, he know his fields very deeply, because he go daily for knowing their fields. That means their fields needs a sower. Because many days ago the rain is not happened. That's why there's harvest need rain. He has two sons, and her wife one evening he and his family sit, and the Lancho said, my fields needs a rain. So her wife said, if the God want, then it's absolutely happen. After some time, the raindrops are falling. The small drops are 5 cent pieces, and the big drops are 25 cent pieces. After some time, the raindrops change into a hailstorm. The hailstorm hails a much, and his all harvest are destroyed. When he go for watch his fields, at that time he watch his all harvest destroyed, and he thought a plague of locusts remain much than its. So he thought, what I eat whole year, whatever money I have, I show in sow the seeds in the fields. So he thought, me and my family die hunger. But it's not so. He also thought that no one dies hunger, and he has a single hope, only help from God. So whole night he thought about the help from God. The following Sunday he went to the post office. After he carried a blank page. After he trying to write a letter. In that letter, he demand for 100 pesos to the God. After he mail into the box, when the letter reached into the post office employee, the boss watch out. He became very he surprised a lot, because he never watched that type of faith on God everyone. So he laughed a lot after he get serious on the Lancho, because no one has that type of faith on God. So he thought that if the sake of Lancho don't carry on, then no one trust on God. So he tried to hold the money, and he talked to whole employees, and he also gave a part of his salary in that good work. After they all collect 70 pesos, but this is not whole money. So he mail in. So he put that in the mailbox, means letter, and his signature a God only. After the following Sunday, the Lancho came and watch his letter, he is not shocked because he has a lot of faith on God. He thought that God gave me whole money. When he count the money, he get angry because he thought I asked 100 pesos, but he get 70 pesos. So he thought that God never made any mistake. No one want that type of faith. But he thought that the employees of post office he stolen my money. So he write again a letter. In that letter, he write down the post employees are a bunch of crooks because he stolen my money. So he said in that letter, so don't send money by the mail because if you send again by it, then again the post office employees stolen the money. So the Lencho don't know about this thing who gave money. If he know about the whole things, then he thought whatever happen is good or not. But nowadays we know this thing very well. No one do that type. If someone do, then they also use social media for it. They trying to show everyone, yeah, I have a mercy, so I give charity to everyone. But according to me, Lencho is a good and he has immense faith on God. But sometimes we also watch here and there. Whatever is happen, how can we reach this time? According to me, nowadays no one has that type of faith. In past time, I don't know this story is right or wrong, but the name of this story is a letter to God. So the name of this story also related with whole story because they try to explain everyone whatever is happening in our life. According to me, without know the everything, we don't get angry. Many times we don't know the whole things about our area, and we also scold pupils for it. This is also happening with mostly pupils. If in our area, and if we forget our money where we put that down, and we find we don't get, then we also get angry with our cousins and sisters and brothers. Just after when we get, then we thought we do wrong. But according to me, before these things, we think well whatever we are doing, it is right or wrong.